Buongiorno a tutti! We are
Ekiot
Aymar
and Aitor,
and we are going to present Italy.
they speak Italian. Size, it's 301,323 square kilometers. Population, it has 59,854,860 inhabitants. Capital city. The capital city of Italy is Rome. Continent. It's located in Europe. Flag. This color represents these virtues.
Green,
Hope, white fight, and red charity. The currency. The basic unit of the Italian currency is the euro.
other features. Religion, there are Catholics. Economy, they produce sport cars. For example, Fiat, Alfa Romeo, Lancia, Maserati, Ferrari, Lamborghini. This is the logo of Lamborghini. This is the top 6 manufacturing in Italy. Tower of Pisa. Inside the tower there are 7 bells. Each bells represent one note of the musical major scale. Weight of the tower is approximately 14,500 tons.
Carnivals in Venice is very popular. The Green Canal is one of the most widely traveled waterways in Europe and well as the most popular Venice.
And this is the football team very famous. Napoli, Juventus and Milan.
The president of Italy is Sergio Mattarella. Italian celebrities: Valentino Rossi, Laura Pausini, Luciano Pavarotti, Roberto Benigni, Leonardo da Vinci, Pele, Marchisio, Cellini, Buffon and Pirlo.
Fashion in Italy. Italy is one of the 4 major hotspots in the world. It has a reputation for creating fashion that not only clothes the body but expresses the true self. Cities such as Palermo, Venice, Milan, Napoli and Florence produce luxury goods, hats, cosmetics and jewelry.
This is the most popular Italian dish, pizza.
Here we have a traditional dish from Italy, pizza. Would you like to taste them? Thank you for your attention and we hope you like it.